Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so shot clock down to 4. I'm gonna go ahead and continue out of random and hope for the best. Alright? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. This one is right here, to the left. Let's see what this can be. And I bumped this shit forever. Felt we had a lot in common. A rapper expressing weird and spoke a depressive stance. All that introspectiveness, I couldn't measure what it did. Listen, I'm writing to you now because we don't get to talk much. That's for in the stew when we be passing through the halls and such. I wonder if you catch me staring you and all much. And we be busy working, so I never share my thoughts much. Remember signing, 4 niggas with an attitude. But maybe we get your star power and its magnitude. All I thought is it was about to be on, but I never guessed that I was about to be wrong. We encountered some things maybe we should have figured out all along. Who the fuck was I to be too vocal? Alright, so it's the Air Jordan black and gray sleeveless tank, or jersey tank rather, size large. That second album came in added truth to the slander, but we learned what's good for the goose ain't good for the gander. Guess I'm asking for advice right now. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna focus there. I guess I'm asking how would you do it before I do something too stupid. Camera doesn't have focus, but it's large. It's polyester as well. Alright. The front. The gray on the sides and the back. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and try this on. And again, guys, as always, if you want to skip to the tour, click that number in the video description and comment section below, and it'll skip right over to it, okay? So let me go ahead and try it on. It's about fashion now, which I hate because I dress like shit. I'm just the best when I spit. But there's been times I feel like the odd man out, like I should leave. They be better with the odd man out. Like when I wasn't on that intro, I felt a little weird, but that was for the team, so I didn't really care for real. For the team, how I happen to be. Here you guys have it. Well, let me tuck in the necklace first. Alright, so there it is. Put the necklace obviously. Happy to see a friendship get mended, cemented, and any frivolous tension get ended. So all you might think, weapon waste, you my OG cuz. Nickel, you know I look at you like it's blood. Here's the flowers, before the sin is covered with mud. We can disband right now, and it's gonna always be love. For a brief period, I trapped around like y'all. I was high, maybe trying to prove that I'm like y'all. So there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you for checking this out. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I still got another 3 more to go. And on that happy note, I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright? That's all she wrote.